In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use Lucidchart's freehand drawing tool. So let's get started. So here we are in Lucidchart, and from here to access our freehand drawing tool is that we need to navigate here on the left menu, and then we should see the pen icon. And what we want from here is simply this tool because we need the pen to freely draw here into our canvas. So I'm going to draw something in here. And basically, you would now be able to do something like this. As you can see, I am now doodling and I can draw anything that I want everywhere right here on my canvas. And in here, I have my formatting options. So you could go for the thickness right here of your pen. As you can see, this one is very thick. And then you could also change the color just like that. And not just that, is that you could also go here into this tool. So you have this one right here. So this is basically the eraser of your doodles right here. So as you can see, I could now erase them by stroke manually, just like that. Or even better, if you'd want to delete it as a whole, is you can go here into the selection tool and then select the drawing that you have. And take note that this could only detect your drawing in one stroke. And then from here, you can now press on the backspace button and it will now be deleted just like that. And next is that we're going to go back in here into the pen tool. And from here is that we have the highlighter right here. So you could also do it like this. As you can see, I could do some highlights and same thing. You could customize the thickness and then the color. And next is that we could also go for the magic shape, which is this one. And now basically I'm gonna draw something like just a simple shape, like for example a square, just like that. And now from here, when I let go, it will now be converted, as you can see, into a neat looking square right there. So it is detected by AI. And the only problem that I have right here is that it's only able to detect simple shapes. For example, if I go for a star, for example, like that, it will not be detected, as you can see. Or maybe I should go with this style. Maybe my drawing is not that good. So I think you would have to, as you can see right here, it's not a star. Instead, this is a diamond. So yeah, it's not really working that great when it comes to complex shapes. Or maybe you just need a better drawing than I have so that AI would be able to recognize it. But yeah, this is basically the function for the magic shape right here. So as for me, I am only able to draw simple shapes and get them correctly converted by magic shape. And next is that we can go back in here into the pen tool, and then you could always click here and add if you would like to add a custom color in here. So you could just use a hex code to get the correct color that you would want to be added here into your palette. You could also go for HSB, RGB, and so on. So this is only if you are very specific with the color that you would want. And yeah, this is basically it for this video on how you would be able to use the freehand tool here in Lucidchart. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.